guys, good day. Today we want to still try another tutorial. So still continuing on school flyer design part 2. Let's go to our CorelDraw quickly. I earlier told you because of time, I do keep my materials, the images needed, the write-up. I always prepare in time before I know I can do any other thing. So let's go with it. My measurements, I use A6, which is, if it is in centimeter, it is 14.8 by 10.5 centimeter. So depending on your measurement, but A6 is what I use. That's my preset. So first I will take my rectangle tool. You know how we normally do it. You double click on it and it will come to your workspace. So after that, I want to make some other designs that I want to add. So I'll duplicate this. So I will now put my color. I'll take let's see this. Nope, let's make the purple thicker. All right, I'm good with that. So I'll remove the outline. So I want to also duplicate this somewhere here. I'm okay with this. I will use okay, before then I'll still have to make another design out here. I'll duplicate it. Then this one I'm going to press Ctrl Q. Remember, I've told you what Ctrl Q stands for, to convert to curve. It's either you right click on it, on the very image, the object you want to convert to curve. It's either you right click on it and you click on convert to curve, or you press Ctrl Q. It will still give you the same thing. So okay, this is what I want to do. I pick my shape tool, I come here, I drag it. Okay, before then I'll double click here to give me a node. So I'll drag here down a bit. I will also drag here down a bit. Sometimes you might want to have a measurement of here and here being straight, but if you don't want it to be straight, no problem. But if you want it to be straight, you come here. When your cursor tends to white, you click and drag. You see up here, when you leave it, it will now allow you to also shift this down there to make it straight. But if you don't want it, no need of bringing this in. So now I have this shape here. So I will also use this same pink purple color here. So I will put my color there. Now here I want to use orange color. You know, I like orange so much. So in some of my design, I use orange. Here I also want to use orange. So I have orange there. So another thing is, I'll also go to polygon tool, or nope, let's use basic shapes. I'm looking for this. So I'll click on it. I'll come to where I need it to be. I'll click and drag there. So now watch out this red here. That red helps you when you click on the red and drag. It helps you to reshape the edge. See what happens? Helps you to reshape the edge as you want. So now I'm okay with that. So I'll increase it a bit. I drop my 2. I want to make it 3. I'll duplicate it. If you watch, it's out of the workspace, so I have to bring it in and still reduce it a bit. So all right, so I want to put outline in these three objects. So remember, outline is up here. I'll turn it to 4 and I'll make the color to be white. How to put the color? You right click on the color and it will give you what you want. So that's, we are good with it. So now this also, and this, I want to also put a white outline here. So I also right click on the white outline and change the outline to, no, 8 is much. I'll change it to 4. I'm okay with 4. Now this also, I'll still do the same thing. Take it to 4 and change the color to white. Yeah, I'm good with that. So what I will do is I will power clip this one inside this. So what I will do is I'll right click on it, power clip into it. I'll also power clip this, so that I can carry it as one. So all right, having made that out, I want to now place pictures first. So I'll first start with this. I've already cropped it and make it a PNG. So I will enlarge it how I want it to look like, and I will right click and power clip it. Remember, there are 2 power clips. So after the first, I have to edit it and power clip it inside this orange background. So we've got this ready. Now I want to insert other remaining ones. So I'll pick this for this. Remember, I've taught you in previous videos how to power clip. So I will right click and drag to here. I will power clip. I'm okay with that. This also, I will right click and drag and power clip inside. And this also, I will right click and drag into the box and power clip. So I have these 3 power clips. The next thing I'm going to do is to add write-ups. So follow me as we keep going, and don't forget to always subscribe to. Let's look at the write-ups. So I have my write-ups here already. So what I will do is I will just copy it to the location, and as for you, you have to write out what you want, which is the school information, the establishment information. You can use it not only for school, but my aim was for school. So I make it white color because black color will not go with a dark background. Another thing is color combination is very key to making out a good design. Okay, I have the name there. I choose to use that name, can be any name. So the next thing I will do is, okay, let me show you how I got this very I'm going to show you how I got it done. So don't panic, I'm with you. So what I did was I went to this. You have call out shapes. When you click on that call out shapes, you come here, you set the one you want to use. This is the one I used. So when you click on it, you drag. You see how anyhow you want it to look like, you drag. Now you have opportunity to use this red knot to reshape it how you want it. That's what I did. So that's what I did to get this out. So I'll take it to anywhere possible and also take this down. This is to notify that you can enroll now because admission is now open. So having that there, we also have other write-ups. Remember, I told you there is always need for contact information. There are things you need to fix in contact information, so other things as you may want it. So I'll take this down here, change it to white. You may want to add maybe phone and WhatsApp. So let me add let me import my icons. This icon for WhatsApp, icon for Facebook, icon for Instagram. You already know where you have them, so you can always go there and pick it out. So I'll place it somewhere here. So I will reduce the size so it can fit with this space. Reduce it a bit. That is to say, both in WhatsApp and on call, you can contact this establishment with this phone number. This is WaseWeb Technologies phone number. You can always contact us, and don't always forget to subscribe to our channel. We are also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can follow us there. So this is our website for now. I'll bring it in here. I'll use font 11 so it can contain in it, and I'll change the color to white. This also font 11. I'll also change this to font 11. So you see that it's not entering. So all I have to do is to still reduce it to 9. Now, in order for me to make these three align to the middle, I'll have to highlight them and press E. See that it automatically align itself. So it's our website. The school might have websites and details. They might also tell you that they are also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram with that same name. So you can always bring in the icon of the social medias. There are where people can easily contact them. Can always bring them in at the top right corner of your design. So I'm reducing it so that it will not look too big. When it looks too big, it doesn't make sense sometimes. So reducing it. So this is good. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see the work. So if you might want to add other information like the features, the benefits of the school, the space, there is space here, there is space here, so you can add the information. But if you wouldn't like, if something like banner that you want to paste by the wall, anything, so this can always go for you. So this is the work. You're going to do that. You can add the icon for the web and the Gmail icon here, and your work will look this way. That is the work out. So that is it for now. So thank you for joining us. Join us in our next tutorial as we continue.